Hi friends, today we are going to be making DIY hand sanitizer. Now it's very simple and I had almost all the ingredients except for the glycerin, but here it goes. It's 4 things. Number 1, you need 1 cup 99% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol basically, and I've already poured that in there. Then number 2, you need 1 tablespoon of 3% hydrogen peroxide. So I'm going to add that to the alcohol. So 1 tablespoon hydrogen peroxide, add that. Okay, number 3, you need 1 teaspoon of glycerol. So 1 teaspoon of glycerol. Now this is Glycerol. I got this, it's Beauty 360 brand from Rite Aid. I actually got it today, still there. So 1 teaspoon, I'm gonna add it. Now this is what thickens it up. It's like a thick, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really thick. And that's what thickens it up. So that's the glycerol. You add that to that. And then finally, we need exactly 1/4 a cup plus 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of water. Now this is distilled water and I've already pre-measured it out. And I'm gonna list everything below, so don't worry. And you add that to your mixture. Okay, and that's it. So then get a whisk and whisk it really well. So it's really mixed up, really well. Good. Then all you do, get a squirt bottle, buy one of these, and make sure you label it hand sanitizer, okay? So that no one mistakes this for something else. Get a funnel, put the funnel in there just like this, and you pour your mixture into the bottle, just like that, and put the top on it. And let me tell you, it's hard to get hand sanitizer these days, so this is a great recipe. It doesn't take any time at all. I'm gonna put this on here right away, and then that's all you need to do. You're gonna keep this in your car with you, just like that. There you go. DIY hand sanitizer made at home. Now, if you can't find these locally at your Rite Aid, your Walgreens, CVS, then just go online and get it's 4 ingredients. It's so easy, and but it doesn't necessarily replace good old hot water and soap and water and washing your hands. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to wash your hands. And until next time, stay tuned because I've got another one coming up that's made with gel. So, okay. Love y'all. Bye.